Hi everyone, this is Ronalyn and welcome to my MythBuster project. Today, we are putting citrus fruits to the test. Yep, fruit. I wanted to find out which citrus fruit makes the best battery. Could it be lemon, lime, orange, or grapefruit? But how does that even work? And where did the idea come from? This idea actually comes from way back in 1800 when Alessandro Volta invented the world's first battery called voltaic pile, using layers of zinc and copper discs separated by paper or cloth soaked in salt water or sodium hydroxide. My experiment is a modern twist, with fruit juice acting as the electrolyte instead of salty cloth. When you stick a zinc nail and a copper penny into a lemon, the zinc gives off electrons that travel through a wire to the copper, creating an electric current. The juice inside the lemon, which contains citric acid, helps make that happen. More acid usually means better conductivity. So here's what I predicted. Lemons would make the best batteries. They have the most citric acid, so I thought they would generate the most voltage and current. Lemons have the highest citric acid content of any common citrus fruit. According to a 2008 study in the Journal of Enderology, fresh lemon juice contains about 1.44 grams of citric acid per ounce, slightly more than lime juice and much more than orange or grapefruit juice. Here's what I use: lime, lemon, orange, grapefruit, zinc and copper electrodes, multimeter with alligator clips, alligator clip wires, and an LED light to test the power output. I rolled each fruit to loosen the juice for about 20 seconds. For each one, I inserted the zinc and copper electrodes about 2 to 4 centimeters apart. And used alligator clips to connect them to a multimeter. I measured the voltage and current for each fruit and repeated this 4 times. Next, I connected 4 fruits of each type in series, zinc to copper, copper to zinc, and tested whether they could light up a low voltage LED. Here's what I found. Lemons had the highest average voltage with 0.878 volts and the second highest current. Limes had the highest average current with 0.15 milliamps but had the lowest average voltage. Grapefruits had good voltage but very low current. Oranges were in the middle. When I connected 4 fruits in series, lemons and grapefruits lit the LED the brightest, scoring 5 out of 5. Limes and oranges lit it too, but not as brightly. So what's the final verdict? Lemons are the most effective fruit battery. They had strong voltage, steady current, and lit up the LED better than the rest. Lemon wins! Woo!